Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add seamless transitions to your videos inside of CapCut. So I've already got a few clips loaded into my timeline right here. And one thing you want to do is to make sure that there are no gaps in your timeline. So usually when you drag and drop clips into your timeline, CapCut does a good job of automatically removing any gaps, but sometimes you might drag it to the layer above. And as you can see, if you drag it to the layer above, it creates a new video track and it also allows the creation of gaps right here. And sometimes, for example, like that, you're zoomed out a little bit, it's a little hard to tell, but there's definitely a small gap if you zoom in. So the first step to making sure that you have seamless transitions is to make sure everything is loaded onto the same video track. It just makes your life a lot easier in the process. So now that we have our clips loaded into the timeline and are ready, I'm just going to quickly trim them a bit, make sure that they start where I want them to start. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, if we play this portion right here, it's just a instant cut, and that's not very cinematic. If we want to change that, we would go over here to the transitions tab that we can find at the top of our screen. And here we're going to be able to see all the transitions that CapCut is bundled with. If we want to narrow down the results that we see, all we have to do is click on the transitions tab here, and we're going to be able to see a bunch of categories. You can also narrow down the list by searching for specific transitions here at the top of your screen or at the top of the window and typing in the keyword of the transition that you'd like to look for. So for now, let's just go ahead and take a look at some of the transitions that are available. So this one, that's what it looks like. How about this one or this one? So as you can see, all we have to do to preview any transitions is simply clicking on it or mousing over it. So I like the look of the delay zoom. So I'm going to drag and drop this into the gap between the two clips right there. So now that it's been added to our timeline, let's go ahead and play the video. And as you can see, it's a very seamless transition with very minimal effort. If you want to adjust the duration of your clip, you can, or of the transition, you can do so by moving the slider that appears here on the right hand side of your screen. And if you don't see this, all you have to do is make sure that your transition is selected by clicking on it on the timeline. So that's going to be it for this video. Pretty quick, pretty easy to follow. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.